Financial management. Business finance may be said to deal with acquisition of funds, use of funds, and distribution of profits by a business organization. Finance is an important function in any business as money is required to support its various activities. It has given birth to financial management as a separate subject. Financial management is of recent origin and has not required a body of knowledge of its own. It draws heavily on economics for its theoretical concepts. Finance is considered as the lifeblood of any business. It is defined as the provision of money at the time it is needed. All the plans of the businessman would remain mere dreams unless adequate money is available to convert them into reality. Financial management is very important to every type of business. It refers to that part of managerial activity concerned with the procurement and utilization of funds for business purpose. Financial management involves the application of general management principles and financial operations. Significance of financial management. Financial management occupies a significant place because it has an impact on all activities of a firm. Its primary responsibility is to discharge the finance function successfully. It directly involved in the decision making process. The finance function centers around the management of funds, raising and using them effectively. The concept of financial management are applicable to any organization. Financial management should not be taken as a profit exacting device. It implies more comprehensive concept than the simple objectives of profit making. It can be applied to any activity of an organization which has financial implications. The concept of financial management are applicable to any organization irrespective of its size, nature, and ownership and control. They can be applied of any activity of the organization which has financial implications. The term financial management may be applied to any kind of undertaking or organization regardless of its aims and constitution. It consists of decisions relating to investment concerned with capital budgeting and current asset management, financing concerned with determining the best financing mix, and dividend concerned with the solution to the decision of dividend policy. Objectives of financial management. Financial management is concerned with the efficient use of capital funds. It evaluates how funds are used and procured. In all cases, financial management involves sound judgment combined with the logical approach to decision making. There can be many financial objectives, two of them are notable because of wide support for them. They are profit maximization and wealth maximization. Profit maximization is the maximizing the rupee income of the business. Wealth maximization refers to the maximization of the market price per share of the company. These objectives can be accomplished only by maximizing the value of firm through the following ways: increasing the profit, reduction in cost, sources of funds, minimizing risk, and long run value. Decision making in financial management. The financial management decisions can be broadly classified into investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. Investment decisions are concerned with the decisions about the investment of funds. Funds are to be invested in fixed assets and current assets. Investment of funds in fixed assets has long term implications as funds are blocked for a long duration, but immediate returns can be expected from investment in current assets. The purpose behind the investment decision is to find out the projects which are acceptable through discounted cash flow techniques using cost of capital as a cutoff rate. The investment decisions are also subject to risk versus return analysis as future cash flows are subject to uncertainty. Financing decisions. These are concerned with the financing of business activities. They are intimately bound with the investment decisions. The financing decisions are helpful in planning for a balanced capital structure. Risk, return, and control are the crucial factors relevant to formulating the financial decisions. Dividend decisions are concerned with the disposal of profits. Dividend is generally paid as some percentage of earnings on the paid of capital. The internal profitability versus the external profitability analysis helping in developing the payout ratio. Functions of financial manager. The manager who looks after the activities of the financial department is known as financial manager or controller of finance. The major function of the financial manager are as follows. Formulation of objectives. Formulation of financial objectives is the fundamental function of the financial manager. Forecasting and estimating the capital requirements. The financial manager has to estimate and forecast the financial requirements of a business. Designing the capital structure. It denotes the kind of and proportion of different securities. That's the capital structure of a company is said to be the composition of equity and preference capital and debt capital. Determining the suitable sources of finance. The decision to tap various sources of finance depend upon the capital structure designed. Procurement of funds. After estimating the capital requirements and deciding about the sources of finance, the finance manager has to take necessary steps to procure the funds. Investment of funds. The funds procured should be prudently invested in various projects. Dispersal of profits. The financial manager has to decide how much is to be retained for internal use and how much is to be declared as dividend out of profits of the company. Maintaining the proper liquidity. Every organization is required to keep some liquidity for meeting its day-to-day needs. Maintaining relation with outside agencies. The financial manager should establish and maintain cordial business relations with outside agencies like financial institutions, stock exchanges, tax authorities, and so on.